So what I like about this brush is the flat side. Once again, because it's shaped almost like a finger, it's going to give me the ease of a finger application, but because of the bristle length and weight, it's going to give you more of an even pressure than when you use a finger. So I feel like you use less product and you get a quicker, more even application. I am applying concealer, so I'm using the flat side of this brush to get my greater, like larger areas, and then I'm flipping over to the pointed tip to get into the inner corner and really diffuse out right under the lash line without dragging that makeup that's already been applied. I love brushes though that do like 12 different things. So I like the size of the point of this brush, and then I love the flat side to go back in a pat. So I'm using the point to apply my concentrated pigment, and then I'm flipping it over to go back and start stippling it into the skin. So we're using a foundation. I'm using the flat side to start working the pigment into the skin. Nice even pressure. So what I like about this brush for lipstick is that it's going to softly diffuse and blur out edges. Like it's going to smooth out the color and give a soft, even, almost buffed done finish versus like a painted on effect. Then you can use the tip and go over and blend out your edges for accuracy.